Hey guys, welcome to 2017 MCAT preparation, merit or excellence questions. This is question 9 in this series. Today the question we're going to be looking at is this particular one. So just pause the question right now and have a look at the question, see if you can try and do this question. Okay, I'm assuming you've actually had a chance to actually look at it. So basically what you have here is you have a quadratic equation that equals to 0, but you only want one solution for this quadratic for x. So basically we got to find the value for c so that you only have one solution to this particular quadratic. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys an example of what do they mean by one solution. So think of two numbers that actually add up to 10. I mean, you've got 9, 1, you've got 8, 2, and so on. Let's actually try 8, 2. So if I was to actually say 8 and 2 adds to 10, so then this equation would look like this, because you'd have x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 2, and this would actually equal x squared plus 10x plus 16, because 8 plus 2 is 10, 8 times 2 is 16. But the solutions for this particular question, so in this case I'm just showing you guys what if c was equal to 16. For example, this is not, I'm just trying to show you guys an example, all right? If c was equal to 16, then we know this actually factorizes to be x plus 8 and x plus 2. And if this is the case, then you're going to actually get x plus 8 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. So in the first case, you get x equals to negative 8. And in the second case, you get x equals to negative 2. So if c was equal to 16, you actually are getting two solutions. All right. So the idea is, in this case, what should be the value of c so that you only get one solution? And the best way to do this is actually do it like this, because say you've got x squared plus 10x plus c equals to 0. Now if you want to have one solution, then you're looking at something like this, where x plus some number and x plus that same number. So basically you're looking for the same number squared. So in other words, you're looking for what number is going to go here and here that's going to add up to 10, and it's the same numbers. Well, it's kind of obvious, isn't it? Because it's 5 and 5. So we can say that x plus 5 and x plus 5 would actually work, because if you have x plus 5 and x plus 5, then you only get one solution, and that solution would be x plus, because x plus 5 equals to 0, so we can say x equals to negative 5. So I hope that it makes sense what I actually tried to show you guys there. Because we want one solution, that means both of these two brackets have to be the same. All right, if you look in this 16 one, if we put c equals to 16, we actually get two numbers, 8 and 2. So we're actually getting two solutions, negative 8 and negative 2. But in this case, we're only getting one solution. So the value of c has to be 5 times 5, because that's what that last term is going to be. So what we're going to say is c is equal to 25 as the first part of this question. And the second part is, and solution is when x equals negative 5. Now guys, this was an excellence question in 2015. Don't know what it's going to be this year. All right, that much I can tell you. I don't know if this will be a merit question or an achieved question. I got no idea. But at least it's something different, and it'll be useful for you guys. All right, so as usual, if you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. Otherwise, tune in tomorrow for another question. And thank you for watching, guys.